kind of tall, I guess. Okay guys, welcome back. So we did end up getting some rain here this morning, early this morning. So we haven't been in the fields all day. It's about 4 o'clock. And I think we're going to try and get some stuff set up and try out wheat. We don't know how wet it'll be. We didn't get that much rain, but we also didn't really have drying weather until about 2 hours ago. But now it's like blazing hot outside and I'm drenched in sweat. So I'm currently hiding in the office right now because there's AC in here. We haven't done much today so far. We filled a truck to get it ready for shipping canola. Jack also went out and bought a new drone, which is cool. I'll be playing with that lots. Okay guys, we have made it to the field. What time is it? 6 o'clock. We've made some decent progress. We're just trying to finish up the field that we were working on yesterday. We have about like 20 acres left. It's pretty wet. We're thinking it's around 18-19%, which is less than ideal, but we will be drying it. Wheat we like to have at about 14%. Alright, guys, about to be starting the last pass here. We still have a little corner piece to do still. So that might be a little interesting to get over there and get the header hooked up because it's on a pretty main road. Yeah, we're just gonna see how this goes. The field we're going to is at the back there. This farm is split up into this field, and this field. So this farm is about 60 acres here that we're going to be doing today. I feel like I haven't talked much at all today. You guys are probably getting so bored with these harvest vlogs. I've vlogged every single day since we've started harvest, except I took a weekend off. I feel like all I do is say the same thing over and over again, which I probably do. We're making some good progress on this field. It's about 3:30 now, and got headlands done, and now we're going to start doing the full passes. I did notice someone was asking me what my plans are once I go to university in terms of YouTube, and honestly I've been thinking a lot about it because I know, like, I really enjoy filming and editing and all that stuff, and I don't really honestly want to stop, but I won't really be on the farm as much, so it's not going to be the same kind of content, but hopefully you guys don't mind. Anyways, enough rambling. I should go back to unloading Dad here shortly. I'm just gonna go for a little walk because I have time, and honestly my legs just need stretched really bad. My knees get really bad in the tractors. So I'm gonna walk around, maybe go look at how our corn's doing over there. Kind of tall, I guess. Looks very, very uniform. Wow. Looking good. It's grown a lot since I've last walked these fields. I should wander back to Okay guys, it is now about 9 o'clock. We are almost done this farm. We have probably 2-3 passes left, so not much at all. I'm starting to get really tired, not gonna lie. I think I'm starting to feel the, what do we call it? The harvest hangover is what we call it. We just all crash once we're done, and I can see the light at the end of the tunnel, so my body is just like, Jess, it's time to sleep. Today I have been listening a lot to a new podcast. I've been listening to Crime Junkies. Really good, definitely recommend it. If you guys didn't already know, I'm such a fan of true crime. I don't think I ever actually really comprehend the fact that it's true crime, like it actually did happen. I just think of them as stories, which is probably better for my well-being, to be honest. I'll just be sitting here if you need me.